Scentsy fanatics. It's Saturday. Guess you get a double dose of me. I went live on the business page with Serene Warmer, and I just got my Whiff Box for March. I'm a little late. Usually I get this at the beginning of the month, but crazy things happen. So, what's a Whiff Box? Well, a Whiff Box is basically a subscription of Scentsy with surprises in it for you. So everybody who really loves all their subscription boxes that you can get out there, Scentsy has one for you. So I'm going to show you what is in March's box. I have not opened it yet, so it's going to be just as big a surprise for me as it is for you. Hang on, let me turn that around. So the box comes basically just like this, delivered right to your door. See if we can keep this open. So this is the Scented with Love. You always get a nice little note from Scentsy. This one is Get Ready for Bright Days, and it does come in multiple languages. Just a few little fun things. Teach you how to make a pinwheel, some playtime. So this is how it is. Okay, here we go. Oh. Packaged very nicely. So for this month's Whiff Box, we got, wow, a counter clean and squeeze the day. So this is going to be a spring cleaning box, March's. And you have until the 31st to order this month's. And I'm going to order April's in the beginning of the month so you guys can see it quicker. So let's see, they've got Johnny Appleseed dish soap. I'm guessing that everything was squeezed the day at the beginning of the month, but we're getting towards the end. Lemon verbena. Is this the bathroom cleaner? I really like the bathroom cleaner. And then a Spring Has Sprung bar. Mineral Oasis. And then our samples are Be Fabulous. That's next month's scent. And then they threw in Laundry Liquid, Scentsy Soft, and Washer Whiffs in this. Now the whole box is $30. So it ends up being, I think with tax and shipping, it'll end up being like $40.57. But that's really a lot of fun things in here. So here you guys have it. I appreciate all of you that are watching. I see Ashley, Laura, Heather, Betty Jo, and hey Mom, Donna. So this is the March Whiff Box. So if you're interested, give me a buzz or just go through the link and go ahead and place an order. Great way to try new things because you never know what's coming. And if you like subscription boxes, Scentsy has this for you. Have a great day and talk soon.